Hello everyone, today's topic is equivalent fractions. Let us understand this concept with an example. Look at the representation of the fractions. The shaded area in this part is 1 out of the total 2 equal parts. So the fraction is 1 upon 2. In this figure, the shaded parts are 2 out of the total 4 equal parts. So the fraction will be 2 upon 4. Similarly, in this third figure, the shaded parts are 3 out of the total 6 equal parts. So the fraction is 3 upon 6. All these three fractions are equivalent fractions. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, we will multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. If we multiply 1 by 2 with the 2, we will get 2 upon 4. And if we multiply 1 upon 2 with the same numerator and denominator 3, we will get 3 upon 6. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4 is equivalent to 3 by 6. So if we multiply both numerator and denominator of the given fraction with the same number, then we will get equivalent fraction. Similarly, to find an equivalent fraction, we can divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. 2 by 4 is divided by 2, we will get 1 by 2. 3 by 6 is divided by 6, we get the equivalent fraction 1 by 2. We can define equivalent fraction as the fractions that have same value but different numerator and denominator. Fill in the boxes to make them equivalent fraction. 1 upon 4. 1 is multiplied by which number to get 4? 1 is multiplied by 4. So at the denominator we will multiply 4 with 4. 4 4s are 16. So 4 by 16 is the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4. Similarly, by which number 4 is multiplied to get 8? 4 is multiplied by 2 to get 8. Similarly, at the denominator, 5 is multiplied by 2 to get the denominator 10. So 8 by 10 is the equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5. Similarly, 5 is multiplied by which number to get the denominator 15? 5 3s are 15. So at the numerator, 3 is multiplied by 3. We will get 9. So 9 upon 15 is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Write 3 equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 which have denominator 6, denominator 15 and denominator 30. 3 is multiplied by which number to get the denominator 6? 3 2s are 6. So at the numerator we will multiply 2 with 2. We will get 4 upon 6 equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. Similarly, 3 is multiplied by which number to get 15? 3 is multiplied by 5 to get 15. So 2 is multiplied by 5, we will get 10. So 10 upon 15 is the another equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. Similarly, 3 is multiplied by which number to get the denominator 30? So 3 is multiplied by 10. Similarly, at the numerator, we will multiply 2 with 10. So 2 10s are 20. So 20 by 30 is the another equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. Find 5 equivalent fractions of 7 upon 9. As we have already discussed, to find equivalent fractions of a given number, we will multiply both numerator and denominator of the given fraction with the same number. So 7 upon 9, numerator and denominator is multiplied by the same number, that is 2. We will get 14 upon 18. 7 upon 9, the given number is multiplied by the same number 3. We will get 21 upon 27, another equivalent fraction. Similarly, 7 upon 9 is multiplied by 4 at the denominator and numerator. We will get 28 upon 36. 7 upon 9 is multiplied by 5 at the numerator and denominator. We will get 35 upon 45. And 7 upon 9 is multiplied with 6 at the numerator and 6 at the denominator. We will get 42 upon 54. So 5 equivalent fractions of 7 upon 9 are 14 upon 18, 21 upon 27, 28 upon 36, 35 upon 45, 42 upon 54. Thank you.